In that video I talked about, okay, first let me change this to 4K. I'm going to do camera setting. Okay, let me just leave it like this. So in that video I talked about how God has been helping me on my second channel, how God has been helping my second channel to grow. Like, maybe because some people, just like how people say seeing is believing, or maybe because I did not showcase the second channel on that video. At first that was never my intention. So the person just commented, I don't know whether the person was calculating the hours and how many views I have on the video, because I don't know if people are just after that view or just to I don't just understand. But the kind of energy that person brought, and I thank God that the way I replied him, I replied him with a different, whether him or her, I don't know, it's a different energy. So I thought of what kind of mentality is this? Like, people, this kind of people are the set of people that can discourage small content creators. And these are the kind of people that can they compare small creators to big creators. Do you know those big creators? Do you know how they started? Do you know their journey? Do you know their story? You are celebrating glory. Go and sit with them, let them tell you things. Okay, and you are those kind of people that will make other small creators to be discouraged about their dreams. Okay, why not learn to say something positive, to say something like keep growing, like try more strategies, stuff like that, to say kind things to others. But you just go about to say, I have the power to comment, that is my channel, I can even block or do whatever I want to do. Like small creators, I'm making this video because I know so many of you are discouraged because of a lot of things you hear on the internet these days. People just come and share something. You don't have to stay around bad energies, people that will discourage you from your dreams. Okay, the thing is, just keep trying new things, keep learning, keep growing. Everybody is growing, everybody is learning. All right, so do not allow anyone to stop you from chasing your dreams, to stop you from creating content, to stop you from impacting into the lives of others. Do not allow bad comments by people with poor mentality. Maybe he has a point or she has a point, but the way to say it, some people don't, they don't really think before they share any idea. They don't really think before they say something. You just say it. Wow. Small creators, don't say you want to give up because of the low views, because of the low subscribers. If you listen, if you sit with any big YouTuber and they share your story, in fact, you will be rejoicing that your own is even better. And don't go and be comparing your, when you started to where they started from somewhere. So keep trying, keep praying. Yes, in fact, I watched one video on Instagram, and the woman was like saying that some people just go out there and put out content. They don't pray before they share their content. Even after they share their content, they don't pray. We can pray over everything. You and I can pray over everything. So in those prayers, there are a lot of things. In fact, prayer changes our attitude, changes our character. Prayer helps you and I to grow. Don't allow anyone stop you from creating content. Okay, don't allow anyone stop you for creating content. Don't mind my previous, don't mind the grammar. Do not allow anyone to stop you from creating content. All right, I hope this has been able to bless someone. So see you on our next video. You are watching Jesus Bride. Bye.